Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you for watching. Today I am going to be showing you how to wing out your eyes. I found a very easy way. Two steps basically. Well, no, not two steps. Two things I found easier. Not using an eyeliner pencil and using tape. Tape helps guide you. And I have this gold tape. Basically, what you do is you line the tape with the bottom of your eyelid, like the bottom liner. And yes, I have not applied my eyelashes or mascara to my eyes yet. So I'm just going to line it up right there, the crease. And just press it on. I'm not really going to put the tape right under my eyes because it can be irritating because it can go in your eyes. Just trying to get it as close to the line as possible so that your wing is perfect. And I'm going to go in with my Maybelline New York Eye Studio. It's amazing. This eyeliner is like so smooth and it just goes on so easily. It comes with this little brush. It's not a flimsy brush. It's more like it has stability to it, so it's able to guide and control. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna make sure my tape is on. I may have to go back over and finish because my foundation and everything is on. So I'm just gonna dab it in. Just make sure that it's correct. And I usually start from the top of my eyelids up here. And just go to the tape. You see it? See how easy it is for this to roll on? If my legs stop hitting the table, I'll be fine. And see, I use the tape as a guide for my line, and then I just fill it in. And then I'm gonna just go across my top of my eyelid just to give it a liner. So you guys, off camera, I did do my other side and I applied lashes to that side so you can see the difference, how dramatic a wing is. It also helps, just like looking at one camera to the next, it also helps give it a super dramatic effect. So what you do is you go get you some Maybelline New York Eye Studio. It's very easy to apply. Tape, and go to your YouTube and type in Makeup by Natalie Thomas. Watch me and you'll get it perfectly. It's not going to come overnight. It is a process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.